Hey everyone, welcome to another video on Catch You on the Pip Side. This is just a short video to show you how to add all of the S&P 500 stocks to a watch list on your Tradingview. So what you need to do is come to the main Tradingview home screen. If you're already on a chart, you're going to need to back out so that you're just on tradingview.com and you're not seeing your own charts anymore. You need to click on the button at the top center of your screen that says Products and then scroll down past super charts down to screeners. So put your mouse over top of screeners and then move over and put your mouse over top of stocks and click on stocks. And once it gets to the next page here, what you're going to do is you're going to find across the top here, you're going to find where it says index. Okay, so here where it says index, you're going to pull this down and check mark the box that says SPX, S&P 500. Check mark that. So now this has sorted this list so that it only has the stocks that are in the S&P 500. And now what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom because it doesn't necessarily load all the stocks when you first open it. So you want to make sure that all of the stocks are available. Okay, so scroll down as far as you can, and then once you're at the bottom, what you're going to do is you want to highlight all of these. So you're going to highlight all of them going up. So if I come up here and click on the top and I'm holding down the command button on a Mac, I don't know how you do it on a PC. Okay, but you're going to hold it down and then scroll down to the bottom so that it highlights them all for you. Okay, so see for me, it still didn't highlight them all at the bottom. I'm going to start at the bottom again. So I go Command Shift and scroll back up to the top now that I've clicked on the one at the very bottom. Okay, and now it should have highlighted them all. Okay, so now that you have them all and they're all highlighted blue, you're not going to be pressing on anything anymore. Okay, let go of whatever buttons you were pressing or in the mouse that you were pressing. And now you're going to right click and then this menu pops up and you're going to say add selected to watch list and then come down to the bottom of that menu that pops up and say create new list. And you're going to call it S&P 500 or SP 500, whatever you want to name it. And you're going to press save. I'm not going to press save because I already have this watch list on my list already. So I'm not going to save it, but you would press save. And then so I'm just going to press cancel. Then you would go back into your charts. So click on products and then click on super charts. And then what will happen is now when you come in and you click on your watch list, there's a little tiny arrow right here beside the name of the watch list that you're on right now. If I click this down, now I can come down here and change it to the new one that I just made, S&P 500. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys out so that you can get a list of all the S&P 500 stocks. The main reason that we are doing that is so that we could sort them by the percentage that they've changed so that we can easily find what stocks have been bleeding that day by clicking on change percent, and then it sorts them right, by the one that's gone down the most that day. And then we can look at those stocks from there and see if any of them are stocks that meet our criteria for selling option puts. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video, and we will catch you on the pip side.